is? It's your girl for Secrets coming at you with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, tell another friend, tell a mama, because we lady over here. And y'all, I just got my part 2 of my charm bracelet dupes. So I really wanted to open this just so I can make sure that everything is in here. Hold on, y'all. I ain't just exposed, man. I'm gonna cut them like this. Oh yeah, I'm just gonna take them all out of the packet because they're all in smaller packages. Alright, so this is part 2. Yeah, I did find some extenders. They sell them on Amazon. I want to say for, what was it, 15? No, I think it was 15 with $2 off. So like, yeah, it was like 15 with $2 off, but that was just for one extender. So I ended up finding some on AliExpress $4.99 for one extender. So definitely order them off of there. I want to get a little closer. No, excuse my nails, I need to fill in. Okay. So this one, which one is this one? Okay, y'all, so this is Lilo and Stitch. So I guess you gotta put them on. So let me just, hold on, because they got these stoppers on here. No, I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, but it has Lilo and Stitch. Not sure if y'all can see that. Come on. There we go. So, yeah, Lilo, Stitch. Let's say Ohana. Ohana means, what do you say it means? Family? Something like that. So, of course, this one didn't come put together, but it's okay. Once again, y'all, this was between $5 and $7. And that means including the charms. So the whole bracelet together was between $5 and $7. Now you can buy pieces individually, like the charms can be like 98 cents, $1, $2, but it would just make more sense just to buy a whole bracelet unless you're looking for specific charms. Y'all, because I love Lilo and Stitch. So that's the Lilo and Stitch one. And I'll put those stoppers on later once I figure them out. Then I had purchased my mom, I think 1 or 2 more bracelets. Because y'all know in the last one, Mama Rare had hers, but I was still waiting for ours to come in. And y'all, this is a Winnie the Pooh bracelet. I wonder why they didn't put them together. Like, now y'all being lazy. Oh, and this is a pretty long bracelet. So I'm gonna put it together real quick. You know, 'cause my mom been thirsty. She like, I need for you to do an unboxing so I can wear my bracelets. I'm like, I have to show the family first. Family first. And it seemed like all of them don't have the charms on them. I'm like, no, y'all know y'all could help the sister out. So y'all definitely go on there and start ordering stuff as fast as you can if you got the money, because y'all know it's about to be the holidays, and y'all know towards the holidays trying to get packages or any type of mail is gonna take forever. It's gonna be delayed, so it's best to order it now if you can. And once again, they sent the stoppers. So y'all, this is the Winnie the Pooh one. I hope y'all can see this. Okay, there we go. It's Winnie the Pooh charm. These are supposed to be like honeycombs. Winnie the Pooh. Jar of honey. I don't know what that's supposed to be. That's Winnie the Pooh in a honey jar. Another honeycomb charm. A baby Winnie the Pooh. And honeycomb charms. So this is my mom's. This one is mine. I ain't gonna lie, y'all, I purchased this because it had gold in it. And I was like, oh, gold and silver. It's cute. Because I haven't seen, like, I ain't gonna sit up here and lie and say I've seen all the Star Wars movies. I haven't. I've probably seen one or two. Y'all, don't get me in the comments. It's just, you know, different strokes for different folks. I've tried to watch them, but they are so long. I'm sorry, y'all. Like, certain movies, unless it's something I'm really into, like, I've seen all the Godfathers. I watch Scarface every time it comes on TV. So it's like, unless it's a movie that I'm really into, or like a cult favorite, which I know Star Wars is a cult favorite, but it's just like movies that I'm personally interested in, then, you know. But yeah. And I know some people was talking about how some of these charms, okay, you gotta kind of force them through. More stoppers. I don't even know where that stopper went. Oh, how you put this on? Yeah, I don't know how you put this on. But it's Star Wars, and I really like that they have the gold man on there. I know that's Darth Vader. I forgot what his name is. I ain't even gonna try to guess it. And y'all, if you go on Pandora, like, you'll see a lot of these charms, especially, like, if I'm not mistaken, the Star Wars charm. And y'all, they are a lot, like, especially like the Disney ones, they're a lot. Now, I don't knock nobody that can go buy them. I just know me paying $60 and above just for one charm. Sorry, I can't do it. This next one is my mom's. Because, y'all, she just told me that she just wanted bracelets. She told me I could pick whatever bracelets I want for her. So this is Minnie Mouse. There's stoppers on here. Honestly, I might just leave the stoppers off of there. Not sure. But this is the Minnie Mouse one. Come on, phone. Okay, there we go. So that's the Minnie Mouse bow. Is that either Mickey Mouse, another bow? This is a Mickey Mouse key. And that's Minnie Mouse. Oh no, that's Mickey. And then that's a bow charm. Yeah, my chair and table squeaking. So there we go. So I thought this was definitely cute. So that's my mom's. Y'all, this is mine's. I got another Lilo and Stitch one because they had like 3 different kinds. They had like the Lilo and Stitch Christmas kind, then they had that kind, and then I got this one. Oh, this is the Christmas one. So it's Lilo and Stitch, or Lilo. Wait, who is Stitch? No, Stitch is the little creature. So yeah, he got on like a Christmas hat. So I couldn't decide. And that's like the Christmas drum. So I was just like, I'll get both of them. And that's his little pink friend. Another Christmas drum. Stitch. I think his other friend. I don't know, it might be some duplicates. But I'm not tripping because of the price. Stitch again. And these ones got rhinestones, so this is very, very cute. Stitch eating something because you know he be eating stuff. Human trash can disposal. And then this is a little charm. Wait, how you? Okay. Another stopper. So I thought this was very cute. And once again, the sizes that I got for all of these bracelets are 21 centimeters. Let me see what this one is. Yep. See, 21 centimeters. Okay, this is my mom. My mom, she like pink stuff and girly stuff. So I got her this pink, which one is this one? Oh, another Minnie Mouse one. Yeah, I thought this was so cute. And wait, this actually says, hold on, y'all. It actually says Pandora. I'm not sure if y'all can see it. Hold on, I'm gonna try to, come on, phone. I don't know, will the phone catch it? Probably not. But y'all, this actually says Pandora on the back of it. I don't know what that's all about. It's small, and I don't got my glasses on. It says Pandora S925, which you know that means like stainless steel, sterling silver, whatever. And then after that, it has Disney, copyright Disney, and then ALE, not sure. But yeah. Y'all see this got the little rhinestones. It has like the little flower, a pink heart with a bow. That's actually the Disney hat. Is it not focusing because it's trying to focus on everything else? Okay, you got the Disney hat. There we go. How you gonna focus and not focus? Okay, you got the Disney hat. Wait, I think it's trying to focus on my nails. The Disney hat. Oh, there we go. Y'all see it says Pandora? Hold on, because I don't want y'all to think I'm fibbing. It actually say Pandora right there. I don't know. So y'all, I don't know. Y'all, this one of course is for me, because when I had thought I wanted to actually buy the real things, I was like, let me just go on there and see, because y'all know I love Disney Pixar movies. And y'all, look what they had. That's my girl Edna Mode. She the reason why I be wearing my bob. Edna Mode. Hold on, let me. Come on. My phone is being a real party pooper right now. Okay, we got Edna Mode. And we just got some big old charms. We got Buzz Lightyear. We got Sully from Monsters Inc. We got Wally. And then, I've never seen that movie, but what is it called? Oh, I think it's the movie about the emotions. What is it called? I know it's not called Emotions. Is it? I don't know, y'all. I can't think. What is that movie called? I don't know. It's about emotions. That's all I can remember. Is it Up? No, it's not Up. Up is the balloon movie with the balloon in the house. Yeah, I don't know. Don't get me on here lying. So yeah, y'all, this is the Pixar one with Sully and all of them. Come on. There we go. They should have had Mike Wazowski on here. So yeah, y'all, these are the new charms. We're gonna do another walkthrough. Oh, now I want to be bright. My phone is so wishy-washy. Minnie Mouse. Come on. There we go. Maybe I'll just put them like that. Minnie Mouse. Lilo and Stitch. Another Minnie Mouse and Mickey Mouse. Another Lilo and Stitch. Winnie the Pooh. And Star Wars. So I hope you guys enjoy this little unboxing, and I hope to see you guys on the next one. Bye!